good, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my stitch feed-in braids to the back. She'll be getting 6 braids and little braids in between. So as you guys can all see that I already pre-braided her hair. It really helps make sure that her braids are evened out and also to make sure that all the braids are the same size. These braids may look easy, guys, but it really does take a lot of practice to make sure that they're precise and all the same size. I really have been doing these braids for about a year and I am still practicing and learning some cool tricks, but these braids are really nice, fun, and they're very creative and cute. So as you guys can see, I'm using some Smooth and Shine Jam to smooth out her edges in her hair, and it really helps me get a great grip on these braids. And I start off braiding her hair 4 times. Some people do it 1 time, some people do it twice, but this helps me get a great grip of these stitch braids. So I braid 4 times, as I just mentioned, and then I add some hair. And I use my pinky finger to part the side of her hair. And then I use a comb on the opposite side to smooth out her hair and to part it into another stitch. And then I add some hair. And I just repeat the process, guys. On this side, it's really hard for me to use a comb and to add hair. So I just use my pinky finger and use hair on the opposite side and use a comb. Another thing, guys, I would recommend that you take your time with these braids. They really do take a lot of practice. They are not the easiest braids. So just take your time and you would definitely get these braids down in due time. So I am using some jam here just to smooth out the end of her hair. You don't want it to look puffy in the braids, especially if they're natural, and it's so easy for natural hair to stick out of braids. So I'm using some jam and kind of combing it out with the weave will really help. You can see in the back it does seem like it's pulling, so it's a good idea to get your client to hold the back of the braid. I told her to hold the back of the braid, but she said it didn't hurt at all, so it's really up to your client. So from here on out, I'm going to just let you guys watch. I'm just going to be repeating the same process once again, adding some gel and smoothing out the sides of her braid and continue to braid and stitch. So now I'm done. I just added some jam for her baby hairs. some foam mousse, and a do-rag to make sure her hair is smooth, clean, and crisp as a finishing touch. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.